Have you ever sent someone a message saying, "Trust you slept well"? Or maybe you've heard, "Hope you slept well" in a movie and wondered, which one is actually correct? Well, today I'm going to break it down in simple English just for you. Let's learn the difference between hope and trust and how to use them the right way, especially in greetings. So grab your notes and let's go. This is Tutu Adewale, and all I do on this channel is to help you better your conversation. What do hope and trust really mean? First, let's understand what these two words really mean. Hope means you want something to happen. Like, I hope it doesn't rain today. This means I want sunshine. Trust means you believe something is true or reliable. Like, I trust my brother. What you mean, I believe my brother won't let me down. I believe he won't let me down. I trust my brother. Simple, right? Let's use them in greetings. Now, you probably see or hear sentences like, "Hope you slept well." No question mark. "Trust you slept well." No question mark. Are they both correct? Let's find out. Hope you slept well. What does it mean? Say this with me. I hope you slept well. This is 100% correct English. What he's saying in essence is, I wish you had a good sleep. I wish you had a good sleep. It's kind, polite, and very common. You can use it in text messages, at work, in school, or even chatting with your friends. See this example. "Good morning, Chidera. I hope you slept well." Remember, no question mark. Simple and sweet. Then, "Trust you slept well." Is this correct? Now listen to this. "Trust you slept well." This one is also correct, but it's a short, informal version of "I trust you slept well." And here, you are not wishing. You are assuming the person slept well. You are assuming. You believe they are okay without asking them directly. So yes, you can use it, but mostly in casual messages, especially in emails or WhatsApp chats. So which one should you use? Let me know in the comment section. So the next time you send that good morning text, you know exactly what to say. What if you want to ask directly? If you truly want to ask the person how they slept, say, "Did you sleep well? How did you sleep?" Funny, right? But that is correct. This way, you are expecting a reply, not just being polite. Do you understand? Now it's your turn. Say this out with me. I hope you slept well. I trust you had a good night. Trust you arrived safely. Did you sleep well? Nice. You are doing great. So remember, hope is for wishing and trust is for believing. Both are useful, but now you know when and how to use them the right way. If you've learned something new today, give this video a thumbs up and share it with your friends or classmates. And don't forget, English is easier when you practice it every day. Subscribe to this channel and don't forget to leave a comment. See you in the next video. I trust you'll keep learning.